Hi guys, this is Left Turn. In this video, I'll be doing swatches for the color palette from Pastel Dream set by Art Philosophy using Heron Flower brush. At the same time, I will also be showing you how I paint ice cream using this individual color. By understanding the shape of the ice cream, it will make it easier to paint. Observe an ice cream. It starts with a circle or a semicircle followed by an irregular shape at the bottom. Right now, I am doing the first layer of each color. Now that they are dried, I'm adding another layer to create shadow using the same color. Please bear in mind that I am painting swatches, so I will not be mixing other colors to improve the tone of the object. But this tutorial will still be useful if you want to learn how to paint an ice cream. Here is a tip for you. After you paint a scoop of ice cream, let it dry before painting another scoop with another color. Otherwise, both colors will merge through the water and you will not be able to get a clean individual color like this. To draw the cone, I start by drawing the joint line because it is the darkest. After that, I use a thin layer of paint to paint the shape. While it is still wet, I add in shadow and texture for a soft touch. Then I dry it with hairdryer and keep adding layer of details until the cone looks more realistic. For the background, I wet the space with water before adding the color to create a soft blurry background. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from my video. Please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.